Once you have sent your products in accordance with the good delivery practices, you can track the progress of their placement in stock. On the menu Products, FBC Supply Management. By default, only orders created during the last month are displayed. You can change this display by clicking on Filters on the left side of the screen. For each order created, you can see their status. The status are error, demand created, reception in progress, partial receipt, and reception completed. Error is displayed for supply orders that have not been successfully created. You can simply ignore them. Demand created is displayed for all orders that we have not yet received in our warehouses. Reception in progress is displayed for orders being checked for storage. This operation generally takes 2 working days. Partial receipt means that we have put some products in stock, but not all products indicated in the supply order were presented in the reception. It happens when boxes are not delivered at the same time. The supply order will remain open for 60 days, waiting for the pending products. If you have sent all the products, but you have a partial receipt, you must contact your transporter to request an investigation. Finally, reception completed indicates that we have received all products in the supply order. It can also indicate that the 60-day period has expired. By clicking on Consult on the right side of the screen, you can see the details of the products received for each order. Once received, all you must do is publish the products to sell them on cdiscount.com. I invite you to look at the tutorial dedicated to this operation.